All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and let's talk about a disturbing trend I've seen in management groups. This is something that's important to point out that I just want to let y'all know is that I'm sure you might be seeing it in your shops right now, or you may not have seen it, but it's something you need to be aware of. Car count, sales are going to be going down. If a bunch of shops are having the same problem that didn't have it before, it's not going to be exclusive to their shop. It's going to be a trend. Seeing these trends shows that people are realizing what's going on in the world and are economizing. They're not spending as much money doing as many things. But it's a disturbing trend, something that I think every technician, every shop owner should be aware of. Trends like this tend to spread throughout the country. A lot of it because it's a trend. So something to be very aware of. Now, shop owners are going to be compensating for this in various ways. If you're hourly, stuff starts slowing down, they might think, send you home. Hourly and commission, well, commission's going to probably start going down. Falling income, you need to be aware of, tighten your own belts. This kind of trend continues, who knows how long it'll last, how much it'll affect shops, how much it'll affect what they do as far as sending people home, laying people off, or just starving out flat rate techs. It's something you need to be aware of. And like I talked about in the last video, having an emergency fund. You gotta be prepared for this kind of stuff, because if you're flat rate especially, it's gonna be easy for stuff to start, just dropping and dropping and dropping until something changes in our economy. This is an important PSA for all the techs out there who don't see this kind of stuff coming. I get to see it coming because I'm, in my house right now and I get to watch, a bunch of different groups. And you need to be aware that drop in business is coming, and you financially need to be aware of it and prepared for it. I talked about in my other video, having savings, having the ability to find the right job if something happens. So something to be very keenly aware of is that you need to be prepared for this. Just wanted to put this out there because, as things tighten up, your shop may be cutting payroll, you may be out, you may just be sitting there starving as a flat rate technician. So I just wanted to put this PSA out there so y'all are aware. Tougher times are coming for shops, so just heads up. And as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.